Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to remove ads from Spotify for free. So first, open the Spotify app and sign into your account. Now if you're using the free version, ads are the part of the service, so there isn't an official setting that completely removes them for free. Instead, check Spotify's current free features and see whether your listening experience can be improved through the available settings. You can also look at Spotify's official premium plans if you want an ad-free listening. And avoid modified Spotify APKs or unofficial apps that claim to remove advertisements, because these versions can contain malware, steal account information, or cause your Spotify account to be restricted. Also, avoid websites asking you to enter your Spotify password to activate an ad-free version. If you're already paying for premium but still hearing advertisements, then check that you're signed into the correct account and that your subscription is active. So there isn't a legitimate free switch for completely removing Spotify ads, but you can use Spotify's official options safely. Now that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.